Hello, this is Nonso. Today I want to teach on how to buy cheap land for sale at Ibeju-Lekki and its environ. Ibeju-Lekki is the new Dubai of Africa. As a result of this, many multinational companies are rushing to site their companies at Ibeju-Lekki. Companies like Fabrem Project International, Eletu International, Lekki Free Zone Development Company, Dufils, that is the makers of Indomie and Power Oil and so on and so forth, and to say but few, are already at Ibeju-Lekki. It is, if all these companies are citing their company at Ibeju-Lekki, why not position yourself there to make the because they say that you position yourself where the traffic is. Today I want to talk about how to buy cheap land for sale at Ibeju-Lekki and its environment, like Sangotedo, Aja, and so on and so forth. Real estate investors are always looking to maximize their investment by making great returns on investment in the shortest possible time. While some are profiting after transaction using the buy and hold approach, some smart and experienced investors are cashing out big during the negotiation stage. In fact, buying property below the prevailing market price increases the liquidity and ensure you are in profit from the get-go. Here are the 5 ways to get properties at a dirty cheap price in Ibeju-Lekki and its environment. Number 1, you go for the distress sales. This is a common one. It's a situation where the property seller is in their need of money to finance other projects or fund personal experiences. Lack of luxury of time to wait and sell at the market prices. The seller reduces the price below the market price as an incentive to buyers. This will make the property attractive and hence get sold faster. To take on distress sales, ensure you do your super due diligence to ensure the property is not undergoing any form of encumbrances such as foreclosure or litigation. The next one is auction price. A property auction is a marketplace of buyers and sellers of properties where buyers can make an offer on a property at auction. The price are determined by the market. The process is fast as it allows the buyers and sellers to conclude on the spot. The listing agency fee here are also relatively lower. This is popular in most organized real estate markets such as UK or US. The next one is off-plan sales. The term off-plan refers to making or buying properties before it has been completed. There are many pros to buying off-plan properties, but typically the main benefit is that you can secure the property at much lower price. Usually, the closer to completion, the higher the price becomes. Buying a property off-plan means that the investor can get the lowest possible price for a particular unit. It also means that investors have freedom of choice and will be able to select the best unit in development. This will significantly increase the chances of gaining the maximum return on investment possible. The next one is new location. A wise investor says, find where people are heading and go there before them. If you know locations that are far from the city center but development has not reached there, buy some properties there and wait, especially if there is government presence in that area. The higher the number of proposed development in such area, the faster the rate of return. One of such areas is Ibeju-Lekki corridors in Lagos State. New launches. The next most real estate developers offer attractive discounts during groundbreaking or launch of new project or estate. This is a good opportunity for off-takers to enjoy reduced price below the market value. One of such is Gracias Estate Goldstone. This apartment is sharing common boundary with popular Novera Mall ShopRite, that is ShopRite, which is the biggest shopping mall in Nigeria. With your 11 million on Gracias Estate Goldstone, you get for yourself 2-bedroom apartment, and when you make 50% initial deposit, you can spread the balance over 3 months and get 1 million discount. Currently, there is a promo going on which when you deposit at least 20% of any apartment, you are qualified to pick up a raffle ticket and win whatever item is written on the ticket. Items that can be won include, but not limited to, Toyota Camrys, household appearances, fridge, TV, television, washing machine, gas cooker, ECT, and even plot of land. If you are looking for a good deal on property in the axis of Sangote Do, Aja, Lekki, Beju, Lekki, why not call the number on this video? Thank you.